Today I would like to talk about the lines, the straight lines in particular, and we have three different kinds of lines in AutoCAD. There is line, polyline, and 3D polyline in here. The command for line is just line, enter, and let's connect our 3 points. So, well, that's okay. I prepared points on the elevation 10 meters, 20 meters, and 30 meters above the background. And why is it? Because I would like to show you the properties of these three different lines and see if the line doesn't make a polyline. So even if you go and you press here a couple of times, and although it looks like it's continuous, but it isn't, you actually create segments of line. So on the other hand, if you 3D orbit is a command that allows you to rotate your objects, but you have to have AutoCAD for a full version, not the LT. LT unfortunately doesn't have this option. So you see the point 10 is connected to point 20 to point 30, and it is connected, although these are just segments, right? Let's go back to the planner view, and now let's go to PLINE is a polyline command, and now if I connect these here, right, it is one line, right? It's not divided between different segments, but if I go to 3D orbit and rotate it, it maintains the same level, right? So that's the property of the polyline to the PLINE command. So it's going to be always flat. It's useful sometimes. Sometimes we don't want it to jump from point to point. We just want one nice plane, and that's what your polyline can give you, right? If I make a lot of points, it's still in one level nicely. It's not like the lines. And the last point, the last type of line is 3D poly, enter. And if I connect them, the points of the elevation 10, 20, and 30, again, they are connected. And if I do 3D orbit and rotate it, it's actually connected, and it changes its elevations from point 1 to 2 to 3. It goes up just the same way as line, but the line is not connected. You can connect them actually if you select all the segments you want to connect and you write join, enter, you actually create the polyline. And if you go to properties, you see your properties here, and it's a 3D polyline. If you explode it, explode, enter, explode, enter, it becomes a line again, right? So we have our line, our polyline, which is flat, and our 3D poly, which is connected, and it does change its elevation. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.